Hello. There we are. Oh, my camera isn't working. Why isn't the camera working? Where do I go? Studio display, camera options. Why is there nothing in my camera? Let's try adding it again, maybe, or guest studio. No, it's completely black. I should have tested this before. Do I have to? God damn it. Ecam centers. Oh, there we are. Portrait. Interesting. Okay, cool. I'm not sure what happened there. Let's see. I'm just going to adjust it a little bit. Maybe, or maybe this is okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's not about me and my face. Let's just keep it as is. Okay, so what we're going to do today, we had a suggestion from AJ, one of my colleagues, backend engineer at Code Sandbox, on that we should do some measures to protect against phishing. We get a lot of, like, with a cloud platform, like, people take advantage of that to create these phishing pages. And yeah, it's curious to me why, when, yeah, I can't figure this out. Like, if you're smart enough to create a phishing page, like, why do you do that? It's like, one thing is, if you don't have skills and you're desperate, I can understand why people do bad things. But when you have skills, why do people do bad things with those skills? Yeah, I don't know. I guess maybe I'm too privileged to wrap my head around it. But no matter. Let's. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a script, because I suggested, and we're going to write plain JavaScript here, but I want to do it as a cloud template. Do we have that? No. I don't know if we even have a plain. Don't we have like a? We should have that, a plain cloud sandbox. I guess the closest thing we're getting to here is using Vite. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do that. Oh, yeah. We should set the primary port for all the templates. Okay, I'll make sure to notify about that. Anyways, so what we're gonna do here, let's actually oh, is this TypeScript? I thought this was JavaScript, but I guess we can write create app. I don't think we really care about this. Let's change to JavaScript, and let's change the HTML to do JS. And then we're just going to remove this. Cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a script, because when we show these previews, we actually inject some stuff into them, which is related to communicating with the project editor. And we're going to do a lot more with that moving forward. Like, there's a lot of exciting stuff going to happen with the preview. But it's not injected at the top. So what's important about, like, creating a notifier about phishing is that we make sure that this script is the first thing that runs on the page, and it has blocking behavior. So the suggestion I had is that we use a prompt to do this. So we can try doing that now, just see what happens. Answer equals window prompt. This is you're about to open a preview on Code Sandbox. Yeah, the wording here will probably get some input no matter. If you did not intend to open this preview, please cancel and we'll safely redirect you somewhere else. Whatever. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, CPU usage 94%. That's interesting. I wonder what spiked. Anyways, so what should happen now is that when we reload, we should have a prompt here. What's happening here? Why is it so? Okay. You're about to open, and then yeah, maybe we should log the answer here. Console.log answer. Can't remember exactly. Oh, prompt is, yeah, we shouldn't. It shouldn't be a prompt. The thing is, we want to know if you want to continue or not. Prompt is the wrong thing. Is there something else than a prompt? Like, I know there's an alert, but I don't want an alert because that's just okay, isn't it? Yeah, we want like a JavaScript prompt without input. JavaScript pop-up boxes. Window oh, of course, confirm. I meant confirm, not prompt. There we go. And then, yeah, it's true or false. Continue execution. So the thing we're going to do here, we're going to, when you accept this, we are going to write a cookie to the browser, which makes us not ask for this. So, and we just want to use JavaScript here, so let's make sure that we let's see. Yeah, I can't remember that. Like JavaScript write cookie. I think we just have access to like the whole document cookie string. We can't really. Yeah, and this is interesting because I think you can, even though you read document cookie, you get all the cookies. When you do document.cookie, like the setter, it's a single cookie. It's a string of form key. Okay, so at least let's do cookie document.cookie, and oh, this is going to be annoying. Yeah, and it's nothing now. So what if we do, maybe we should just comment this out for now. So what if we do document.cookie equals key value, or yeah, phishing, what should we call it? Phishing not detector. Phishing. We have this other term we use with our AI, consent. Phishing consent or something. Yeah, maybe that's not the wrong term. It doesn't matter. And it's cookie. And we don't really care about the value here, so we can just say true. And then what we need to experiment with here is path. Let's see. The maximum age of the cookie in seconds. Don't you have like infinity? Time. Oh, okay. Maximum value. Okay, so let's. Okay. Let's call it max cookie expiration. And that would mean we need to use max age in seconds would be max age cookie, and then prevents browser from sending this cookie along with cross-site requests. Strict prevent the cookie from being sent by the browser to the target site. Yeah, so I guess we want same site. So I guess it's the same. Like equals. Strict. Weird that they haven't. Oh yeah, maybe you don't have to add a value there. Okay, and then what I don't quite understand is domain here. Because I thought you could set the domain. Because we do want this cookie to be readable across domains. Write cookie, set domain. Just set domain. Okay, yeah. So we do have domain. So what we want to do here is that we have this CSV app. So what we want to do is set CSV app and path. Yeah, I guess this is good. So I think this is the cookie we want to write. I think. Funny thing is that it doesn't set that cookie. Why doesn't it set it? Is it the wrong format? Is it because I don't have... Why is it same site? I guess it doesn't matter with the uppercase stuff. Why doesn't it write it? Not network application. Maybe it's HTTP by default. Do we have the phishing? No. Does not work. What are the restrictions? Oh, expires. Oh, did I look at some old... Maybe that's the thing. It's not actually max age, it's expires. I'm not sure why. Okay. What was that? So let's just take this one. Let's not call it that. Let's call it days. Let's keep it for a year. Yeah, and I guess we just want this. That's a lot of typos. There's still no cookie here. Why doesn't it work? Not setting cookie in Chrome. Maybe I need to say HTTPS or something. What the hell? I am confused. I am confused. Phishing. Maybe I need to use quotes? No, that shouldn't matter, right? No, that shouldn't matter. What the hell? Oh my god, these kinds of things. And I often experience this not actually being updated. But god damn it, because I don't want to use a library for this. Like there's this cookie library, which is awesome, but I don't want to use it. But there's something I'm doing wrong here. Do I need to use uppercase stuff? Let's just do it. Same site. Expires. Domain. And path. I can't imagine that having anything to do with it. Secure. Was that what was secure again? That was to Yeah, but we're not actually sending it over. Or do I need to use this secure flag? I'm so confused. Why isn't this cookie written? I am confused. Why the hell isn't this being written? What if I just do this? Like, nothing's written. Is it because it has to be... Okay. Like, I've never done this before, so I have no idea what the limitations are for this, but this doesn't make any sense to me. Why can't I write? Why can't I write the cookie here? Like, I'm stumped. I have no idea. What the fuck? Hello. No cookie. And I must be doing something stupidly wrong, because there's no issues with this. Like, as soon as the browser is closed. Yeah, so it should, like, it doesn't. Why isn't it able to add a cookie? Is it the iframe itself? Like, is it because I'm running this in an iframe? What about here? Oh, it's because I'm running it in an iframe. So you can't set cookies in an iframe. That sucks. Okay, let's search for that. You have to set same site to none and secure to true. Okay, so let's try that. Let's clear the cookies. Clear. And let's do that. Same site, none, and secure. Okay. I'm not sure if it's there now because I set it over here. Let's drop that one. Let's go back here. I'm feeling that for some reason this isn't. There we go. Clear. Okay, now it's there. Okay, good. Phishing consent true. What was that? None thing? None. Says no restrictions. Well, the cookie will be sent in all requests, both cross-site and same site. Okay, it doesn't matter for us. Okay, I think. Like, I'm no expert in this stuff. I just had a suggestion, so that's what we're trying here. And let's see. So what we want to do is say that, yeah, so that's one thing. And then we're going to check something else. We're going to look at window parent. I wonder, I'm not sure, but can we get the, maybe we should just search for JS get origin of parent window. It's not allowed if the iframe and the main page are not in the same subdomain. Okay. No, that doesn't work. So that we can't get that. Okay, so the reason I want this is because I want to check that if we're actually running inside CodeSandbox.io, we just write that cookie immediately. So that means like whenever you visit CodeSandbox and you're running a preview, we just write this cookie and then you'll never get this phishing indication. It only happens if you never visited CodeSandbox before and you go directly to a preview. But that didn't work. So what we can do though, we can write this cookie from our preview protocol script instead. That's perfectly fine. So we'll add it twice, kinda. Yeah. So what we'll need to check here is if document cookie includes, I guess we can just say phishing consent equals true. Well, if it doesn't include that, we'll do this. It makes sense that you can't access the document. I wonder what this is though. Parent location. Why is it then? Okay. I wonder if there's more. I'm just gonna work on for this problem. this is now the correct, only the domain, but that's enough for us. Okay, what the hell is this? Maybe we can access it. It would help, like it would simplify. Oh, nice. Okay, I think that's okay for us. So what we would do is if equals code sandbox IO, well, HTTPS code sandbox IO, then we would just write the cookie. Let's see, write cookie. So what we're gonna do here is if continue execution, we'll write the cookie, and the thing about confirm is that it actually holds JavaScript. So it doesn't matter what happens, it will actually block any bad code, or should block any bad code. And then I get one problem though, is that JS blocking redirect. So we kind of still want this blocking behavior. Like what we're going to do here, we're going to say code sandbox IO. But now it's not blocking anything anymore, so you might still have bad code running. Location href blocking. So I wonder if there's a if we can actually, yeah, maybe we should rather just close the tab. Nei. Det går ikke.
Ok, men kan jeg bare si det nå?
Ja. Let's see. this is after if it's Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, this is what I want as well. It doesn't actually. Yeah, I wonder if there's a way to halt execution. I guess we could like throw an error. I wonder if that will work. Let's try it. I haven't tried this. Okay. Throw new error. Because it's like it's single threaded, so something synchronous has to trigger, right? I don't think there's like anything weird with like later script tags and stuff. Like if I could even test that. Let's see. So we do script just to make sure. Whoop. Okay. So that's still rent, but what if I go here and I'll delete this cookie now? Oh, our daughter is like 6 years. Like 6-year-olds, they it's pretty amazing how like it's not amazing, but it's interesting how difficult learning to socialize. It's a lot of things to figure out. Good thing they don't have any grudge with each other, but yeah, it's hard. Okay. Anyways, I have to go, but if we're on Code Sandbox, we're just going to write the cookie. We'll return. I'm not sure why. Okay. Let's do an else there. We'll write the cookie, or if no. Okay, so what happens here now? So it ran whoop, and then we have our cookie, because it did execute just the way it should. What if we open this in a new tab? It should be good there, but what if we remove the cookie and then we'll reload this? We should get the thingy. If I do OK, it should execute and do the whoop, and it does. Oh fuck, now he woke up. God damn it. Okay, I have to go, but if I do OK, oh, it's still rotating. Oh, sorry, I was supposed to do cancel. Let's see. No, get me away from here. Oh wait, it still ran whoop. Oh, god damn it. Didn't it block it? That sucks. That truly sucks. Okay, so we're going to try something else. We're going to actually put this inside the HTML just to be perfectly sure here. Because this needs to... application... Okay. But that's good. And if I do cancel and cut, we didn't get the whoop. And it... Okay. Good. So I think this is it, actually. I think we got it. I really have to go, but freaking kids. Like, that's the thing about summer. It's like there's kids everywhere. And then when you have a napping 2-year-old outside, it's hard for them to sleep. But great. I think this cookie will prevent further execution. Cool. So as long as we use our current injection, we'll put this at the very top of the HTML. It'll run. If you happen to visit like a preview in any sandbox or branch, it will just write a cookie because you know what Code Sandbox is. So that's our assumption. It's like, you know what Code Sandbox is. So if someone tries to phish you, you'll see the URL and you'll understand. Just the fact that you're a developer, you probably don't get into phishing issues. But at least now, if someone tries to use Code Sandbox to phish for non-technical people, they'll get this thing, and hopefully that is enough for them to understand that they should click cancel. I did think about maybe we should have an overlay that really warns the user, but at least this is first thing we can do. Okay, so I'm going to share this tomorrow, and then for evaluation, and then we'll see if we can get this in, and hopefully we won't get that many. Maybe it will. Hopefully the goal is that it will actually reduce phishing on the platform, as opposed to people being targets reporting to us about this. Maybe it's not this simple, but yeah, well, we're doing our best. Okay, bye for now.